Hey pros, Crystal here from Elite Hair Care USA. Happy Sunday to each and every one of you. I am here with Baby C, who just kicked my phone because apparently he's like, can you get off? But neither here nor there. I'm super excited because my hair has finally started to grow back. Because I got a micro pixie the other day starting over, and you guys know that I do not like short hair. I like my top to be nice and big and bulky and full of density. So you guys know that I don't typically relax my relax my crown very often. So for today's touch up or service, I did to myself around 7 a.m. as I said before. I did a shampoo and condition using our Hair Repair and Revive collection, which is our newest collection. And then I also refreshed my red in the midst of that. Outside of that, I molded my hair using our Elite Silk Wrap Foam, and then I let myself sit down and dry. Now, some of you have been asking what's a good dryer to use at home. I also have the Andis sit under hooded dryer. It actually works really well because it's very slim and I can hide it. So you're welcome to grab that from Walmart. You might even find it on Amazon. Honestly, it's a really good dryer to me. I don't know, I'm not one to drop names, but it was a good dryer. So you guys can definitely go check that out. Outside of that, you guys, of course, you guys know that the Memorial Weekend sale is going on where everything on EliteHairCareUSA.com is 40% off. I'm also extending that sale to the Crystal W site for a lot of our Le Pure scents. I know a lot of you have been wanting to get some or try them out. So you can go to the Crystal W site and also shop that sale over there. Everything is already priced as marked, so you don't need any type of codes or anything like that. You want to say hi? Say hi. Okay. He's looking like, yeah, I don't want to say hi. You're putting me on the spot. Outside of that, you guys, I did use our Smooth by EHC mini iron, which is my tester iron to flat iron my hair or curl my hair today. And then I just used some Goddess polish to kind of finish it up. So this is the finish. Of course, I have on my Elite Hair Care scarf because I want to preserve my hair and just make it nice and neat and stay really, really pretty for the rest of the week. I plan on going to the gym, definitely. I haven't gone. I went one time this week, so I'm going to do 2 days next week. Now, I just completed my fast. So my fast is from 11 p.m. to 3 p.m. So that's 16 hours fasting, 8 hours eating. I can honestly say, you guys, it has done wonders for my skin, wonders for my body. I'm not craving the sugar that I was craving before, which was really, really bad. And I'm just kind of happy in the state that I am. Sorry, guys, it cut me off. Anyway, even with the intermittent fasting, in my 8-hour time frame, I'm still eating every 2 hours, which is one of the things that a lot of people did not tell us when we started doing this thing about fasting. In order for you to keep your metabolism going, you need to be eating every 2 to 3 hours. So what I do is at the break of my fast, which is at the moment my fast breaks, either I start with some sort of fruit, or I'll start with some sort of clean smoothie, not one of those really sugared down smoothies. Just a very clean smoothie, no dairy, none of that stuff, just ice and fruit and water. Traditionally, I'm going to buy that at someone's smoothie shop, okay? Outside of that, once I do that, then about an hour later, because the smoothie is going to run right through me and so is the fruit, about an hour to an hour and a half later, I will eat my lunch in a sense. Kind of you could say breakfast because you're supposed to have 3 meals within that 8 hours. This child does not want to rest. You're supposed to have 3 meals within that 8 hours. So I have what you would consider my breakfast, which I have meal prepped. I have some spaghetti, squash, spinach, and a chicken thigh in a plate with some really good seasonings, which of course I use my moon spice. Rasta, don't do that. And then he smiles. So I have that, and then I also have some pre-portioned plates with strawberries and blackberries, and then I have another plate with cucumbers and celery with a tablespoon of almond butter, which is all natural, no added sugars, none of that stuff. So I'm definitely really following through. I am drinking a little bit more water than I normally would. And then if I have a crave for a soda, I would drink one of those flavored salsa waters where it's just literally still no sugar, no nothing. I think it's St. Croix or something like that. And then here and there, I'll drink a little bit of kombucha. I love kombucha, but it's really sweet. And then yesterday I really wanted a soda, so I had a Ting, Ting, which is a grapefruit soda from Canada, but it's a Jamaican soda. I had that because I really wanted it. So I'm not going to deprive myself 100%, but I'm still doing things in moderation, and it's definitely paying off. I've weighed myself. I'm 201 pounds. When I started, I was 214 pounds. So that should definitely tell you guys that I am really motivated and really moving with this. And I do feel really good, really good. So I've challenged myself. I'm trying to do a 18-hour fast, but I'm not going to do that just yet. I'll get there. But anyway, you guys, enjoy the rest of your Sunday. Go shop the sale, EliteHairCare@USA.com, CrystalWOnline.com. You guys go shop the sales, get those deals, and I'll see everybody in the next video. Okay? Happy Sunday. Bye.